Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see about a simple medicine that is the Aceticum acidum. It is the acetic acid. Its chemical formula is C4H3O3. So it is mainly given to persons who are very pale to look, whose face is very pale, and they are very flabby muscles and lax fibers, and they look very waxy or oily. And if you see about their hemorrhages, it occurs mainly in the mucus outlet, that is in nose, throat, lungs, stomach, bowels, uterus, and they have metrorrhagia, that is the intermenstrual bleeding, and traumatic epistaxis. Epistaxis means bleeding from nose. So traumatic epistaxis means due to some trauma they have bleeding from nose. And marasmus and other wasting diseases of children. That is, marasmus means malnutrition. Wasting means the thinning of the muscles. It mostly occurs in the children.
Have intense thirst which is burning and insatiable even for a large quantities in dropsy. Insatiable means intense, very much thirsty even during dropsy. Dropsy means swelling, that is the edema filled with fluid. And diabetes, chronic diarrhea, but no thirst in the fever. They have no thirst during the fever, and they have great prostration because of great loss of blood, that is hemorrhage. This is mainly after injuries, because during injuries blood is lost, and after surgical shocks or after anesthetics. Sore, belching and vomiting of pregnancy. So during pregnancy vomiting is common, but in these patients the vomiting will be sore and the belching also will be sore. And burning water brush. Water brush means after having a heavy meal we'll be releasing our gas through the mouth, that is known as the water brush. So it will be burning and you'll be having very profuse salivation. So if you think about the pregnancy woman, they'll be having vomiting and they'll be having profuse salivation, because profuse salivation is a sensation or a symptom of the vomiting. So they'll be having this profuse salivation during day and night. So think of this. And diarrhea. Diarrhea is copious, exhausting means which leads to great weakness. So after diarrhea they'll become very much weak. And great thirst, as we have already seen in dropsy also. Typhus, thysis, these two are a kind of disease. Thysis is the TB, and with night sweat. So at night they'll be having profuse sweat. True group hissing respiration, cough with the inhalation, last stage. So while they inhale they'll be having cough, and this is mostly given in the cases of last stages of diseases. Inhalation of vapor of cedar vinegar has been successfully used in croup and malignant diphtheria. That is, in homeopathy not only oral or any external application will be giving, we'll be also giving medicine to inhale. So for such example I will be giving cedar vinegar to inhale, so that it can cure croup and malignant diphtheria. Cannot sleep lying on the back. These persons cannot sleep lying on the back. We simply lie on our back and we'll sleep, but these persons will be having pain or they'll be feeling like vomiting. And sleeps better on back is the Aceticum album. So in our salve the patients will be freely sleeping better on their back, and they will be having sensation of sinking in abdomen, that is they are having very much vomiting, very much weakness, prostration. So they'll be feeling some sinking sensation in their abdomen, which causes dyspnea. Dyspnea means difficulty in breathing. Rest better lying on belly. So when they lie on their belly, they'll be feeling better. Lying on back is intolerable or uncomfortable, but lying on belly is better. Hectic fever, skin dry and hot, red spot on left cheek, and drenching night sweats. So, hectic fever is a type of fever which refers to the high temperatured fever, and during this time, their skin will be very dry and hot, and they'll be having red spots on left cheek and drenching night sweats. Drenching in the sense will be filled with water. So this refers to will be filled with sweat, will be dipped into the sweat. And cider vinegar antidotes carbolic acid and follows well after chinchona in the case of hemorrhage and after digitalis in the case of dropsy. It aggravates the symptoms of arnica, belladonna, lachesis, murk, especially the headache from belladonna. Mainly belladonna is given in the case of headache, so that's what given. So this is a simple topic, simple remedy medicine. So it is the aceticum acidum. So that's all for today. So if you have any doubts, you can comment and you can ask me. So for more videos, like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more videos without delay. Until then, see you. Bye bye.